Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going deep, really deep, into the world where rocks meet AI.
Yeah, it's a pretty fascinating mashup.
It is unearthing hidden treasures with AI. That's the theme today.
Treasure hunt. I like that.
Got to keep it exciting.
Yeah.
And trust me, the stuff we're diving into is way more exciting than just like dusty old rocks.
It was way more than that, that's for sure.
I mean, did you know there are geological databases out there with information going back to the 1600s?
Seriously. 1600s. That's wild.
It's incredible. And we're going to talk about all of that, those massive libraries of geological knowledge and how AI is like turbocharging the whole field.
It's revolutionizing how we find and understand resources.
Exactly. So first things first, like what kind of databases are we even talking about here? Paint me a picture.
Okay, so imagine you're, I don't know, planning a huge construction project, right? Like a skyscraper.
Okay, I'm with
You would absolutely need to know what's going on beneath the surface.
Of course, got to make sure it's not built on like quicksand or something.
Exactly. So for the U.S., there's this amazing resource called the National Geologic Map Database.
Oh yeah, I've heard of that.
It's got everything. Geological maps, info on potential hazards, even tells you the best places to find construction materials.
So it's not just for scientists, it's actually really practical.
Super practical. And it's not just the U.S. either. There are global databases too.
Like what?
There's Macrostrat. It's mind-blowing.
Tell me more.
Think of it like Google Earth, but for geology.
Whoa, okay, I'm picturing it.
They've pieced together over 225 maps from around the world. It's like this massive jigsaw puzzle of Earth's history.
That's insane. What can you even do with that?
Oh man, everything. You can trace how the continents have moved, see how mountain ranges formed, even track where ancient shorelines used to be.
So you can literally see millions of years of geological change.
You got it. It's like time travel for rocks, basically.
I love it. Okay, so we've got these massive global databases, but what about more specialized ones?
Oh yeah, we've got those too. PetDB, for example. That's all about the ocean floor.
The ocean floor. What's so special about that?
Well, it turns out it's a lot more dynamic than we used to think. Researchers used PetDB data to discover a whole new type of hydrothermal vent system.
Oh wow, those things that are like teeming with weird life in the deepest parts of the ocean?
The very same. And they found it in a spot they never thought to look before.
So these databases aren't just about cataloging what we know, they're actually leading to new discoveries.
Absolutely. And then you've got things like MetPetDB.
MetPetDB, what's that one all about?
That one focuses on metamorphic rocks, the ones that have been like cooked and squeezed deep underground.
The Earth's extreme makeover, basically.
Exactly. And by studying them, we can learn a ton about the forces that have shaped our planet.
Okay, so we've got these incredible treasure troves of data, but how does AI actually fit into all of this?
That's where the real magic happens, right?
Yeah, tell me about it.
These databases are huge, like mind-bogglingly huge, and AI gives us the tools to actually make sense of it all.
Like a superpowered geologist.
Exactly, like VRIFY AI. They're using AI to analyze tons of data and pinpoint the best spots for mineral exploration.
Okay, but isn't there a risk? Like, what if the AI misses something?
That's a fair point. AI is a tool, a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for human expertise.
Right, so it's more like a collaboration.
Absolutely. AI can process information way faster than we can. It can spot patterns we might miss, but it's still humans who make the final calls.
And I guess the applications go way beyond just finding minerals, right?
Oh, for sure. Like Earth AI, they're using AI to make drilling operations more efficient and less harmful to the environment.
That's awesome. So it's not just about finding stuff, it's about doing it responsibly too.
Exactly. And then there's SciWA. They're using AI to target specific mineral deposits so they can minimize exploratory drilling.
So less digging around in the dirt. That's got to be good for the planet.
Big time. And Lapizia, they're using AI to find hidden patterns in the data, connections we might not see otherwise.
So it's not just about finding what we know is there. It's about discovering new knowledge.
Exactly. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we understand about the Earth.
That's so cool. And all of this is making waves in the news too, right?
Totally.
Right.
Like Barron's had an article about how AI is helping oil companies boost profits by finding the most productive drilling spots.
Really? So AI is impacting like big industries.
Big time. And MarketWatch was talking about how AI is making it possible to find resources in really challenging environments, like the empty quarter desert.
Didn't the Sun just do a piece on that?
Yeah. AI is changing the game for exploration.
It's incredible. But okay, zoom out for a second. Where else could all of this lead?
Well, that's the exciting part. Imagine using AI to predict earthquakes or landslides.
That would be huge.
It could save lives. Or how about optimizing infrastructure, making sure buildings and roads are built on solid ground?
That makes sense.
And what about using this technology to understand climate change better? The possibilities are, like, endless.
Wow, you've really given us a lot to think about. From ancient maps to cutting-edge AI, this has been an incredible journey.
A real treasure hunt.
It really has. Thanks for being our guide today. It's been fascinating.
Anytime.
And to all our listeners, keep exploring, keep digging. You never know what treasures you might unearth.
Happy hunting.
See you next time.